Do you scare easily? Then watch with caution because these disturbing videos caught on doorbell camera are so scary they will keep you up tonight. This footage shows two suspects sneaking around a backyard, presumably looking for an entrance to the house. They then notice the camera and quickly hide. One of the men, armed with a hammer, proceeds as planned and uses it to break the doorknob as his partner keeps watch. They are eventually able to gain entry into the house. Doorbell News posted this video on April 1st, 2022, and it shows something strange. It's late at night. A man and woman who are known to the residents walk up to the security gate. The man tries to open the gate, and when he fails to do so, he hands a water jug to the woman and proceeds to climb the gate in order to gain entry to the second floor. The video ends before we know what happened. In the middle of the night, the doorbell camera catches a man in the backyard of a house wearing a leather jacket with a hood. He approaches the back door and attempts to open the back door, which he is successful at doing. As he steps in, the owner speaks to him through the intercom and asks, "Okay, what do you need?" The man walks back outside as the owner repeats, "Hey dude, what do you need?" The man then apologizes, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house." Then he flees into the shadows. In this video, a thief tries to break into cars late at night. First, he tries to open the door of the silver truck, but it is locked. Next, he tries to open the door of the black car, and to his amazement, it opens. He then gets in the car and tries to steal something from inside. But when the siren goes off, he panics and flees. It took place in San Diego, California. A bearded man with a cigarette in his mouth and a white hoodie approached the front door while looking around. He put his head close to the camera so no one can see what he is doing. When the front door wouldn't open, the man decided to leave. Always keep your doors locked to stay safe. A man in a bright hoodie and baseball cap was seen on the doorbell camera looking through the packages on the front porch and trying to determine what was inside. When the home's owner spoke through the camera's intercom, the man threw the package and fled. The home's owner said the package contained expensive medical supplies. Don't be shocked if you find your Halloween decorations missing. On Halloween, an elderly woman stole a pumpkin from the porch of this house. What she plans to do with it, no one knows. In this video, a man with a covered face wearing a blue jacket and a yellow cap is caught on camera attempting to steal a child's bike. The woman yells at him through the camera's intercom, "Get away from my kid's bike. I'm about to call 911. You better run." He eventually fled without stealing anything. In this video, a man crashes into a car and then flees. He's wearing a green shirt and carrying a book bag. It's obvious that he either doesn't have insurance or the car doesn't belong to him. I hope nobody was hurt in that collision. Before we get to number 1, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it. Brendan was out of town when he received a notification from his Ring app. He was shocked to see a stranger walking up to his front porch. The man, who was dressed in a black shirt and shorts, approached the door of the house, then began to wander around. The second he began to reach for the garage window, the homeowner turned on the siren, which caused him to flee. The only thing more disturbing than these doorbell clips is you not watching more of our videos.